A simple, good-tasting white bread recipe for a bread machine uses water, butter, sugar, flour, non-fat dry milk, and yeast. For a 2-pound loaf, put the ingredients into the bread pan in this order: 1½ cups of room temperature water, 3 tablespoons of room temperature unsalted butter cut into ½ pieces, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1½ teaspoons of salt, 4 cups of bread flour, 1/4 cup of non-fat dry milk, and 1½ teaspoons of instant or bread machine yeast. Pick your loaf size, crust color, and white bread program. When the baking is complete, remove the bread and allow it to cool on a wire rack. I'll put 1½ and 1 pound recipes in the description.